guys, is vinegar, baking soda, tissue, food coloring, and dishwashing soap. That's all. See you later. Watch my videos.
What are you doing now?
Taping the eyes.
Taping the eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna
Put them on here?
Hold on. I'm putting the eyebrows on. No. Okay.
So what we've got so far.
And I'm gonna put the eyes.
Did you? Oh, good. Nice. I love it. Vinegar. Okay, wait. Okay.
That's like half.
You think that's about half?
A
little bit more? Okay, well, that's good. Okay, close the vinegar.
Okay.
All right, and then we got, what does it say next? Oh, put our science glasses on.
Oh, we can't.
Science glasses.
It says. I don't know.
No, it's still on the first step.
Oh.
Read it out loud.
The bottle with vinegar.
And what else?
Vinegar. Add a good squirt of dishwashing liquid.
Okay.
And a drop of food dye.
Okay. So get the dish soap. Nope. Yep. So do like one squirt. There you go. All right. And then a drop of food dye. There you go.
I think we need a little more.
A little bit more. Okay, that's enough.
Okay. So we got to say gently swirl the bottle to mix the contents.
Swirl it. Swirl.
It's shaking its tail.
Swirl a little bit harder.
That's good?
I think so.
Okay. Then place it in the middle of a large baking tray or dish.
We did that already.
Yeah, that's what Cameron. I'm gonna put them right in the middle. Okay. Put a heap. I don't know.
Heaped
teaspoon of baking soda in the middle of a square of tissue.
Okay.
So I need
Nope. You're going to get a heaping, the whole thing full. Like, turn that sideways. Yep, like that. And then you're going to put it in the center. There you go. And that's all. Just one. Just one. Now, wait a minute. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take up the 4 corners, fold up the 4 corners into the middle, all together, and grab all 4 corners with with like 2 fingers. Nope. Nope, like this. You're going to pinch them together.
Pinch them?
Mm-hmm.
I'll have some of it here.
Yep, like that. Now take that and make sure all the edges are up. And, well, nope. You're going to twist this. You're going to twist this around. Like that.
There we go.
Twist it around. You've got to twist it up tight, though, because we got to be able to shove it in the bottle. Okay, and what does it say next? Let's move all this stuff out of the way.
Okay, it says... large. So we go to 7 now? Or we're on 7? Roll it up and twist the ends. Okay, that's already done. Drop the tissue into the bottle.
Okay, what are we doing now?
We're going to drop this guy in there.
What is that?
It's tissue with baking soda.
Right, and what's in the bottle?
It is vinegar,
Mm-hmm.
red food.
Is it in there? Okay, oh, let's see. Is it working?
Oh gosh. And there's also, what's it called?
Oh, watch. Look.
Soap.
Look. Get down there a little closer so I can get you in the video, your face.
Oh my, did you just see that, Nanner? It went, like some of it went straight down, like the baking soda went.
Look.
Oh. Oh, it's poop. Oh, it's throwing up. Look at all that. Oh, right.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
Good thing we have tape to protect my eyes. Oh, it's not working. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
It's the tissue.
Oh.
So what is it that it creates? Do you remember?
Foam.
But what are the bubbles? Do you remember the gas that it creates?
No.
It's carbon
Dioxide.
carbon dioxide.
Dioxide.
It's still going. Oh, here comes the tissue again. It's kicking the tissue out again.
I put it back in there.
I know.
Go back in there. It's gonna push it out again.
Is it going to push it out, you think? Is it going to have enough power left?
Yeah, it's gonna have some power to push it out. Oh, it's coming.
It's coming?
Yeah.
I wonder how long it'll bubble if we just leave it alone. Don't put your hands on your clothes. That will bleach your clothes out.
Uh-oh. Ready? It's coming out. It's coming out. It's gonna come out. Actually, I don't think it has enough power, actually.
Oh, yeah? Well, you keep pushing it down, too. And every time you touch it, the oils of your hands react with the chemicals in there, too.
Look, I'm popping a pimple.
Ew. Okay, that's enough of that. No, don't pour it in there. Don't pour it in there. That's enough of the mess.
Yeah.
All right. Well, was that as much fun as you wanted it to be?
I thought it was literally going.
Oh, you thought it was going to actually explode?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least we had some water, it would be